Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about InShot app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to add caption or subtitle to your video in your InShot app. Let me show you how. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your InShot app. Having opened up your InShot app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on video section. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you select your video. I'm going to go ahead and select this particular video right here. Go ahead and click on this check mark to add your video. After successful adding your video, I'm going to go ahead and adjust the video size frame right here, just like so. So how can you add closed caption to your video right here? What you need to do is to slide in this way and then make sure you go ahead and look for text. Then under the text right here, go ahead and click on caption. Just like so. So it's going to be giving you right here. And then make sure auto detect is checked. Then go ahead and click on auto detect right here. Then make sure you choose your language and hit on OK. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and then click on here to check your different style right here. There is shadow, there is classic, there is yellow light, there is one with animation, there is typewriter, just like so. There is another one right here which is pixel style. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve. So I'm going to go ahead and check on this original typewriter right here, or better still, I'm going to use this one with the background, just like so. Then go ahead and click on the check mark right here, and then go ahead and click on sign in to start.